we will see how to reset gatehouse keypad deadbolt, the factory reset and re-handling and reopen the codes. For this guys, first of all access the reset button. Remove the battery cover from the interior side of the deadbolt. Locate the small button marked R or reset, usually positioned near the battery holder. Step 2. Perform the factory reset. Press and hold the R or reset button for more than 5 seconds. Release it after you hear 3 long beeps. The indicator also flashes the orange 3 times and confirming that the lock has returned to its factory default setting. The process deletes the existing programming and user codes. Run the door handling process. After the factory reset, the lock must relearn whether it is installed or on a left-handed or the right-handed door. Enter the default programming code 000. Press the gatehouse and programming button and press 0. Allow the deadbolt to extend and retract the automatically. Do not turn the interior thumb turn while locking is performing this calibration. After that, step 4 is program new security code. So default programming code is 0000. Default user code is 1234. Change both default code immediately and create a new unique user code. Depending on the model, user code may contain between 4 and 10 digital. Note, older gatehouse look require equipped with the set button may use a different reset process and may return to the program code 123456. Check the model inside the battery compartment before following the instruction or an older lock. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you.